Does your business telephony support SMS? If not, you're missing out, big time. From inquiries to reminders, updates, and alerts, it's a hassle to rely just on calls. But here's the catch. Even with the regular SMS feature, handling them is still a nightmare, making it impossible to track, organize, or respond efficiently. Now, there is a better way. With KrispCall's AI-powered phone system, sending SMS becomes easy and smart. To use it as your business growth tool for faster response, ensuring nothing slips out. Signing up for KrispCall is simple. Register your account and get a free phone number from the USA, UK, or Canada. Need more numbers? Purchase virtual phone numbers from 100+ countries as your business needs. To onboard your team, invite members via email and assign roles. Then, configure number settings to share access with the right team members. Sending SMS in KrispCall starts with clicking your phone number. Then, go to the new message icon, enter a phone number or contact name, type your text message, and send. Your message history now auto-logs in the contact's call box, along with call activities and voicemails in the same place. Even being a unified call box, sorting messages can be done in clicks using filters. Just check the messages to apply it. Whether it's customer inquiries, appointment reminders, or order and delivery updates, tracking becomes effortless. Not just SMS, KrispCall even lets you attach multimedia files up to 5 megabytes to support your text messages. Just click on the attachment link to add the files from your device, giving you extra clarity to close business deals. And macro text messages take efficiency a step further. It saves you responses to common queries, so you don't need to retype the same replies. Also, you can send a reminder or alert message to hundreds instantly. You just have to create a campaign in KrispCall's bulk SMS tool, type your message, upload your contacts, and send. SMS keeps your business moving, and KrispCall keeps them organized, automated, and always within reach. No clutter, no delays, just effortless business texting. Ready to begin? Start with KrispCall.com and send SMS in a smarter way. Sign up now